Portable tech is top tier. I know this because many of you are watching this episode on some sort of portable device, right? I got you. Oh, that's weird. You don't need to do everything that you're told. Ah! Enough! Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Unbox This. We're in it now, y'all. We've made it to the middle of the school year and now the holidays are around the corner. No matter where you find yourselves this time of year, tech is essential and a laptop is at the top of the essentials list. If only there was a laptop under $1,000 that's durable, still thin and light, and long-lasting with everything you need readily equipped. Hey, luckily the perfect option has been discovered. The Asus ZenBook 15 checks off every box and then some. And if I'm going to show you the power this laptop is bringing, I better unbox this. Let's crack it open gently, just unboxing. I love that Asus has their own tape. How bougie. Any box that has a handlebar too, lovely. You just lift it. I like that the box opens like a laptop. Oh yeah! This must be our ZenBook. Ooh, it's in this soft little fabric too. Come on out, let's see. Oh, this is pretty. It's like this deep blue color. It's like the ocean. I really like this design too. Even with the little triangles and stuff, I love some good geometry. Dang, I love this color. I know that you can get like a black laptop very easily, but this blue color is gorgeous and I want it. Let's see what else is in here. You also have your warranty card, your user guide, and an extended warranty. And then in here, must be some of our chargers. Oh yeah. Sweet, and it's just a Type-C charger. And then you get to keep this little box to hold all of your little trinkets. You basically get a carrying case already with your laptop. So there you go, you can use the box to hold your laptop around. That's all there is to it though. It's literally just the laptop and the charger. I think what I just realized though too, I like that the box matches the laptop. How cute and matchy-matchy. This is beautiful. I used to love back in the day when everyone had a different colored laptop, and I feel like now everyone has stuck to their typical black or white laptop. Bring back blue. And now that we have it, our Asus ZenBook 15 out of the box, I think we should talk a little bit about it. Here it is, the all-powerful Asus ZenBook 15. There are tons of quality components packed into this surprisingly thin and light laptop. It's nearly ½ an inch thick and only weighs about 3.5 pounds. What's inside will have you ready to conquer any task. The Ryzen 7 7735U CPU is bringing 8 cores, 16 threads, and up to 4.8 gigahertz speeds. More than enough power to multitask with incredible ease. All of your bases are covered with 16 gigs of RAM and AMD Radeon graphics for smooth visuals. Reliable components so that nothing stands in the way of your work. Or let's be real, streaming and binge watching. Both are good. Either way, you can store everything important to both work and play thanks to 512 gigs of M.2 storage. No limits here, just on-the-go productivity and creativity. No matter how you spend your time on this tech, it's going to look picture perfect on this 15.6-inch full HD display. This is an IPS panel, and you'll be getting 100% sRGB so that the colors really pop. And if you plan on working on creative projects, you'll appreciate the 300 nits of brightness and the anti-glare so that you can work anywhere and everywhere, especially with the highly efficient and long-lasting 67 watt-hour battery. It's truly dependable. Edit and create in the darkest or brightest of rooms. This tech will adapt to what you need. A unique feature here is the Asus Antimicrobial Guard Plus. It's applied to frequently touched areas of the ZenBook to inhibit viruses and bacteria. Smart and hygienic. That's all I want. If this laptop were on a dating app, I'd not only swipe right, but I'd super like. and you get to experience all the key features like speedy fast Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.0, the gorgeous backlit keyboard, and an FHD camera for your gorgeous, gorgeous face. And there's no skipping out on the connectivity here. You're getting one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A, one USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C, one USB 4.0 Gen 3 Type C, plus your HDMI and 3.5mm combo audio jack. I told you, all the boxes are checked off with this glorious tech. Browse and work with style by getting the Asus ZenBook 15 laptop. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for more tech. I'm Tori. We just unboxed this. See ya!